Children, as we are talking about the past, so now come to another topic, that is, where did people live? Children, people lived on the banks of the river Narmada for several hundred thousands years. Some of the earliest people who lived here were skilled gatherers. That is, children, what do you mean by skilled gatherers? The people who gathered their food. What do you mean by gather their food? They used to move from one place to another place in order to gather. इकट्ठा करते थे अपना भोजन घूम घूम करके. They know about the vast wealth of plants in the surrounding forest as they used to move or wandered in the forested regions. So they are very much familiar with the type of plants they are in their surrounding. So they used to collect the roots, fruits and other fruit forest produce for their food as they ate it raw. They also used to hunt the animals, children, also. Clear? So that is why they are also called as the hunter gatherers, as they used to hunt the animals and they used to gather their food. Now children, just look at map number 1 in your book. As this map shows, this is the physical map of the subcontinent. Now just see in this map the Suleiman and Kirtar hills to the northwestern side of India. Children, just see in the northwestern side of India the Suleiman and Kirtar hills. Clear, children? Now, as some of the areas where women and the men, they first begin to grow crops. So these are the some of the regions where the men and women, they firstly started growing crops such as the wheat and the barley. These are the first type of crops that are being grown by the people. That was about 8,000 years ago, are located in this region. People, children, also began rearing animals. They started rearing out the animals like sheep, goat and cattle and lived in villages. Clear? Now there are some of the other areas where agriculture also developed, children. So in these areas, that was the region where the people also started doing the agriculture activity. The places where rice was first grown are to the north of the Vindhyas. Just see in map number 1, children, towards the Vindhya hills. Clear? So the region, the places where rice was first grown, it are to the north of the Vindhyas. Clear? So now children, about 4,700 years ago, some of the earliest cities flourished on the banks of the rivers. Like, as we are talking about the river Indus and its tributaries. What do you mean by tributaries, children? Tributaries are the smaller rivers that flows into a larger river. सहायक नदियाँ, एक बड़ी नदी की सहायक नदियाँ जो कि that flows into a larger river. Clear? So many, some of the early cities, they flourished on the banks of these rivers. Later, about 2,500 years ago, the city developed on the banks of the river Ganga and its tributaries and along the sea coast. So talking about the cities, these are the cities that are being developed along the banks of river Ganga. Children, as we are talking about the river Ganga and its tributaries. So in ancient times, the area along these rivers to the south of the Ganga was known as Magad. That was a very prosperous region and its rulers were very, very powerful and set up a large kingdom. Children, kingdoms were set up in other parts of the country as well. So as we have talked about Magad, that was to the south of the Ganga. And it was a very prosperous region of this time period.